Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with an Amazon unboxing and this is a funny story. Well, before I get to the funny story, this box is already open because I ordered a bunch of stuff and it came in one box, which I really like because it cuts down on shipping, and also I needed a big box because I'm going to be using this box to take outside when I do my pastels, and I can put the pastel in the box and then they'll be safe, and then I can spray them with the sealer while I'm outside, and yeah, that'll keep them in place. So that's what this box is going to be used for. But anyway, the funny story is there's one item in here that shouldn't be in here because I thought that I was saving it to my to the cart. I often add things to the cart just to think about, and I accidentally hit buy it now. So this wasn't something I was going to buy yet. I was going to wait and buy it in June. But I got it now. This is the Blue Zones Kitchen 100 Recipes to Live to 100 by Dan Butner. Can you see that? And I have to tell you right now, this is a beautiful book. Like, the cover feels like an expensive book. It's not leather, but it's giving me the feeling of a faux leather. Like, it's just a thick hardcover book, but here's what it looks like on this side. I love books, you guys. If you don't know that by now, I love books. So this is going to be for my dad. It's supposed to be for Father's Day. I was just adding this to the cart so that I would remember that I wanted to buy him this for Father's Day because my dad loves cooking, and I would love him to live to 100. So I hope he'll like this. And okay, guys, so this is Cook the Blue Zone Way, and the author is Dan Butner, and he has recipes that help you live long. There are blue zones in Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, Icaria, Greece, Okinawa, Japan, and Loma Linda, California, where people live to be really old. So he went and he visited all these zones, and he called them the blue zones, and he studied what they eat, and he believes that those foods, plus the fact that they have a simple lifestyle where they work outside or they walk every day and they garden and they have a strong family life and they have friends and they're not like high stress people. They're living more of a simple life. So anyway, he decided he would put all of that into a book, and the photos are by David McLean. And I just thought this would be really something nice for my dad. I usually get him a cookbook for Father's Day and a cookbook for his birthday and a cookbook at Christmas as part of his gifts. And I just want to show you, I'm not going to do a flip through right now, but I will if you want me to. So the pictures, the photos are matte. They're not glossy. The pages are matte, but they're still very nice. Here's minestrone 3 ways. And apparently these are very simple recipes. So I think my dad will like that. I know he'll like that. Sweet pumpkin fritters. He'll probably make that first. So it's got big writing. It's a big book because my dad's 84 years old. He'll be 85. And I thought this would be something he would be interested in because he watches cooking shows every day. Now, my mom likes cooking too, but my mom's not much for recipes other than like Christmas cookie recipes. She started using my Christmas cookie books that I have, but she basically only makes the stuff she knows how to make. But my dad likes trying new things, so that's why I get my dad cookbooks. So that is it. So this is right now on Amazon. It is $38.72 Canadian for the hardcover. You can also get it on Kindle for $16.99, and you can get a spiral bound one for $62.99. I like this one. This is the number 3 most gifted book in healthy cooking and nutrition, which is really cool. So if you didn't want to pay $40, you could get it for like under $20 on your Kindle, which is, you know, a nice deal. So if you're interested in this and you'd like me to do a flip through, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. So I'm really excited to give this to my dad, and I'm not going to save it to Father's Day. I'm going to give it to him today. I'll have to just get him something else for Father's Day because I'm not going to keep a book that helps someone live to 100 for an extra month and a half. Okay. So that's it, you guys. That is it. That is the last thing I got from Amazon today. I have one more thing coming in, but it won't be coming in, or no, two more. One's coming in, I think, on Friday, and one the following week. So anyway, thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy reading. Bye, guys.